Hello everybody, back again. Oh, there we go. Got another filament review. This is the Geeetech PETG. I can't remember if I reviewed this before, but I have bought it and used it before. Off and on 3 or 4 times over the years, and I can't really remember how well it worked out. Just was one of those spur of the moments. This is going to be in green, 1.75. As always, let's go to the down cam so you can see what I'm seeing. There is the box. Geeetech 3D printing filament. Keep dry, keep away from heat. Flammable, ROHS. On the top, basic stuff. PETG 1.75, green. Random numbers, have no clue what they mean. Net weight 1 kilogram. Made in China. Geeetech PETG filament 1. ... OST FDM 3D printer green new. Ah, good thing I've got new filament. Made in China. Nothing. Made in China. Let's see what we got inside. Alright. Hey, first off, we have a separate resealable bag. That's nice. Oh, it's actually gotta be torn, reopened. Thank you, Geeetech. Definitely use that. Alright, nothing else in here. Let's get rid of the box. Alright, first look at the spool here. What does it say on it? Geeetech, contact us at https geeetech.com, Facebook, facebook.com/Geeetech, that is Geeetech, Facebook group, Geeetech 3D printer user club, Twitter, twitter.com/Geeetech, Instagram, instagram.com/Geeetech. What we got on the back? After using this filament, please plug the end into the fixing hole inside the filament tray. Otherwise, knotting and winding will occur on the next printing. Thank you for being positive. Geeetech 1.75, green. Nothing new. Exact same label it was on the box. Made in China. Not too bad. I can definitely tell right here. It's got smushed the spool in. A little concerning. You can actually see it kind of warped down there. So let's open her up. See what she smells like, see what she measures like, and then we'll go cut her. Or go print her. Nope, that one's definitely not resealable. Alright. Save our silica. Wow, it's nice and neat. Get it up here so y'all can see it. I wonder if that color banding I'm seeing is really in the monitor or in the video. Alright. Looks good. Wow, very nice and neat. What's it smell like? Vinyl-y. Interesting. Once again, they all are starting to smell different based off of what the color is. So, here. Oh, that's a good sign. That's a really good sign. Yeah, it's not broken anywhere yet. That's really nice. Cut that off. Get the calipers. Oh no. Are horribly inaccurate calipers, but it's better than nothing. 1.6, which I now know means 1.75. 1.6, because they've all been coming up 1.6. Wow, 1.6. 1.6. There's some 1.5 there. Let's remeasure. I don't know. 1.6. 1.6. 1.6. Super accurate. Awesome. Turn those headphones down. Alright. There is only one set of holes, top and bottom. That's a little disappointing. Just look where I'm at. I have to waste a bit. Alright. So we will go through this on the printer. Same thing as always, calibration cube, benchy, Cali cat, and calibration cube. And we'll be right back and we'll see how it went. Y'all stick around just for a second. Welcome back. Well, that was a little harder than expected. First off, apologies. I forgot to show you all where I got it, how much I paid. So you can see it, got it on Amazon. I guess it was right over $20. Can't read that from here. Should have show notes. Does me no good to even lean forward since it's my monitor's across the room. Oh yeah, put it up on this other one behind me. Yeah, $20.98. First off, this is actually a different day. It's taken about a day to get this back up. Mainly nothing to really do with the filament. A little bit longer than usual, but just trying to get my cameras to working. And I don't know what fixed them, but hey, I've got at least two right now, the two that I need. Excuse me. So the first thing I noticed is I threw it on the printer. And there is no temperature. Not here. Not on the box anywhere. Same sticker here. It has nothing that really relates to a temperature, just its color, its PETG, the size. Some 3-digit dash, 3-digit dash, 4-digit SH210402-3B. Net weight, made in China. Nothing over here, pretty much the same rinse and repeat. Nothing. So I went to their website. Not a big deal, but first time I've ever had to do that with a filament. I know I've used some Geeetech before. I do not remember if it was PLA or PETG. It was probably PLA. So yeah, went to the website. Website said 240 to 250 cc, 250. So I printed, first off, 2 calibration cubes. I guess let me go to a sideways. Go. That is probably one of the worst calibration cubes I've ever printed. It's got zits all over it. It's just horrible. So I thought, well, alright, let me print another one. The range was 240 to 250, so I actually had to reslice my G code that I was using before because I upgraded to October 1.8 and it crashed everything. So set up from fresh, but I've printed other things and it's been absolutely fine. So here's the second one, which did actually get better, especially if you compare, let's see, those two sides. This is the first one, this is the second. It did clean up some. Back's horrible. Back to the original. Top's kind of indifferent. So I thought, okay, let's reslice again at 250 and then print it again. And I actually did twice, and forgot to turn off the brim, I guess because I switched profiles. And then it came out nearly perfect. A little shinier as well. The previous ones are a little flat. So that was a plus. That's exactly what it looked like when I wasn't getting up to temp. It was just kind of surprising considering most of the PETG I've used recently has actually fallen in like a 220 up to 240-ish range more of. Yeah, some of them just completely going gloopy at 215 even. But yeah, and I printed 2, and like I said, I forgot to turn brim off. That's why the bottom looks so horrible on this guy. Absolutely perfect. So having that done, we went to a StechoCat. And StechoCat came out pretty comparable. All the sides are sharp, the feet are well defined. The details on the face are all there. Same defect I've been having with all of them, which is cooling fan, which working on that design, which is right under the overhang of this tail, which is just where it's at. Actually, if I rotated StechoCat any direction, I would actually fix that. Just haven't been smart enough. Alright, so those are there. And then we did a benchy. Same thing, I did the benchy twice. These were both at 250. All this is, I believe, 20% infill, and I think it was like 80 millimeters a second. The first one had some globbing that appeared up on it there that I just did not break off well. Second one, didn't get it there, but did get a little glob right there. Didn't want to pull it off yet while you were there. So that disappeared. Went on the back there. Ooh, cleaned up nicely. I can tell a little bit. The bow is all great. The little portholes are good. Port on the back is good. The writing's there. The bottom's gone, but that's mainly for my PEI sheet. Everything looks square and solid. Same bridging issue I've had on all these benches in PETG. Yeah, that one's a PETG. It's nearly exactly the same. Let's see. You're not going to be able to see that at all. That was probably the worst benchy to choose. A little bridging there. Just a touch of bridging there. Just a touch of bridging there. There. That was at 40% cooling. Probably could go higher. I don't believe I used dynamic except kicking on to 40% at about layer 3. So those came out really nice. Once again, they sent us reusable bag. Let's go to a different camera now. We're not looking at all that. And they always move around. I've got to get a new switching system, that sucks. So yeah, sent us a reusable bag, which is really nice of them. Oh, there we go. Oh, I guess it has tear lines in case you want to reseal it yourself. That was very interesting. Thought it was fresh and unsealed. Alright, there we go. Once again, that was the Geeetech Green PETG. I'm happy-ish with it. It was definitely not as easy to use as some of the other PETGs I've used recently, including, I believe, this one, which transparents are usually a little harder to not get stringing and over temping. That one, I believe, printed at lower temperature than these guys. I might even kick it up to 255 just to see what they come out like, because I like the color. It's nice and even. It's exactly what I wanted. those are not. That is just ugly. But this shininess is exactly the color I was looking for in a green. Can you guess what I'm going to print with? Once again, Geeetech. You can find them on Amazon, all kinds of places, all over the internet. Not the easiest and best I've worked with, but I'm not 100% against it. So, your opinion may vary. If you've tried some of it, let me know. Once again, I do believe the PLA I used was much easier to print with than this PETG. And then we'll move on to the next one. So, you'll be good, be safe, keep putting down layers.